Hello and welcome to Rhetoric 3326 Technical Writing. My name is Dr. Heidi Harris and I'll be your professor for this course. This term, we're going to do a little experiment and we're going to run this course through Google Apps and Google Classroom as opposed to Blackboard. This is a fully online asynchronous course with a few synchronous components, and we're going to be working in the main course site, which you see on your computer right now. And then we're going to be doing our discussions, assignment submissions, and announcements through something called Google Classroom. You still can get to all of these materials through your regular Blackboard site. Those are linked in. And I'm going to be posting weighted grades in Blackboard as well. So we will be using Blackboard for the grades feature, and you can get to the materials through that area. I'm not going to demonstrate that today. What I'm going to demonstrate is starting with the website. So this website on your screen is our main Google site for the course. This contains all of the information about what we're going to be doing in the class, organized by week. So I'm going to start with the introduction and show you. On this first page, it begins with kind of an overview of what you need to do. You should get an invitation to our Google Classroom. That will come through your UALR email. All of these materials that we're using are freely accessible through your UALR email account. You will need to use your UALR email account to access the Google Classroom and to submit assignments. So if you have a different Gmail account that you use to work normally if you work in Google Apps, you will have to use the UALR site to interact with the class. So before you begin the week 1 activities in the course, take a look at these first 3 things that I'm asking you to do. Accept your invitation to our Google Classroom. You can actually access Classroom as you would any other Google app. I work in Chrome, so I have downloaded this little menu right here, which is called the Black Menu, which you can look up and download if you want easy access to all of your materials right on your Google Chrome browser. Or you can go into your UALR website and go to this little Rubik's Cube icon, and Classroom will show up as one of these apps. If it doesn't show up as one of these apps, you can just click that More button and go down, and you can find it toward the bottom of your screen, or go onto your apps marketplace and activate it there. But it should appear somewhere in this menu for you to go to. I'm going to click on that just to show you what Classroom looks like when you open it up. I have 3 classes right now running in Classroom. And this is our class. So this is what your classroom is going to look like. I'm still working on tweaking a little bit of it, but this is basically what you're going to see when you log into Classroom. So this is the main kind of nerve center of the course, and you can get to Classroom from our main page anywhere where I link into Google Classroom, and I'll show you that here. If you have any questions about this class, post them to this Google Classroom thread, and this is kind of the Q&A center. So if you're having trouble with any of these activities, you can click on there, and as long as you are enrolled in Google Classroom, you should be taken right to the discussion board. One of the reasons that I'm doing this is for people who use their mobile devices for navigating the class and completing assignments. Google Classroom should provide a much smoother mobile experience for you. You should be able to download the Classroom app, the Drive app, and be able to navigate and do some of your coursework from your phone or from your iPad or tablet device if that's the kind of environment you need to work in or like to work in, which I do. And of course, you can always still access everything from a laptop or desktop device. So that kind of talks, that's the class and what we're doing. I hope that you enjoy 3326, even if you're forced to take it. I think it's going to be a really fun term. We're going to do a lot with writing for mobile and thinking about writing for mobile technology throughout the course. So log on to the website or enter the website, get your Google Classroom invitation accepted, and jump in and let's start playing around in Google Classroom. Have a great day.